Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Dow, your teacher in English 101 here with our class dog Crypto, and we're going to do a quick tutorial about how to navigate the site here in the class. I'm going to start with the dashboard, which I'm sure you already know about if you're already here watching this video. So let's just take a quick look. But this is our class entrance here, and we're going to go into the class. So I just wanted to say a couple of quick things about the class and how it works. Basically, whenever you click into our class from the dashboard, what you should be seeing is this list of week-to-week modules. And this list of modules has really all the course laid out step by step throughout for the entire semester. So the number one thing you want to get across when you are looking at the week and the modules is to always start at this first, really take them in order, but start with that first link there, which is what to do and think about this week. The reason you have to start there is because that list is complete. That is the complete list of assignments for each module. And you'll see every module we have has that first page, what to do, think about this week, what to do and think about this week, etc. Don't assume that what you can do is, don't assume you can skip that and just do the rest of the things on the week and that you'll be done. Sometimes there are things in this first link here that are not in the rest of the site. So you want to make sure you go through there. There might be some readings or some videos you have to watch. So always start there, then go through the list itself. Sometimes people have difficulty, or they cause themselves difficulty. Let's say you're on the syllabus. I've seen this happen almost every semester now. People read the syllabus, and you have to read the syllabus. Your first assignment is a syllabus quiz. You have to read the syllabus. But sometimes people get to the they read through the syllabus, and they get to the end of the syllabus. And you'll see here at the very end, this is my final thing, this little baby guy here. At the very end, there's a big course summary with a list of assignments. I don't put that course summary there. That's something that Canvas does automatically, and I've tried to get it off of the site, but it's just something that is part of it. And it's wrong. It's like if you think that you can just walk through the course summary, do these things in order, you will end up doing an incomplete amount of assignments and failing the course. And as I said, I've had this happen every single semester, no matter how many times I've tried to prevent it. People try to just stay on this page and do this work and think they finished, and they haven't. There's a lot of stuff that gets skipped there for whatever reason. So again, doing this course, you're going through the course is laid out week to week. Everything is on here. In this first week right here, this is an old introduction video. I will be replacing this one with the one I'm filming right now. And then you've got these other things you have to do. Take the syllabus quiz, post-response discussion 1, take the mechanics grammar diagnostic. And if you're thinking, well, where are these things? Well, there you are. That's what the rest of the module is about. It gives you the specific information, or it gives you the questions, or whatever it is you need to do. Last thing I'll say about this course overall, which I try to emphasize in the syllabus quite a bit, is that like it should be obvious, this class is laid out week to week. A lot of the assignments are such that you have to do them correctly before I allow you to move on to the next assignment. The number one piece of advice I can give you is to just keep up. Each week, do that week's assignments. Try not to do them at the last second, because, like I said, you might have to do an assignment 2 or 3 times before I give it the okay. If I try to think of the reason people don't pass this course, the number one reason is always they fall behind. Even falling behind by a week, it's hard to catch up, especially because of the process where you're going to have to kind of go through steps to get to the next one, and you can't bundle a bunch of assignments together and say, here they all are, Mr. Dow. I'll end up saying, no, go back to the beginning, do the first thing right. When that's right, we move to the second thing. And the reason I do it that way is because that's the one way I can guarantee that you've learned what you need to learn to get through this class and move on to the rest of college classes. But anyway, that's it. I've tried to make this as simple as possible for everybody so that nobody can get lost, and I'm certainly open to answering questions at any time. So yeah, feel free to send me emails at any point you need to send them to me, and hopefully I will see you on the class site very soon. Let's see what Crypto's doing right now. What do you got going, Crypto? What's going on? He's not doing anything. Okay, he's not doing anything. Okay. All right, bye.